Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the EBS class. I hope all the children are enjoying at home and are safe at home, right? Very good children. So children, do you remember that what we have done earlier in the video? What we have done? Tell me. Yes, exactly. We have done the parts of a house. We have done the parts of a house. Can you name that? How much parts of a house are there? There are 5 parts of the houses. What are they? Living room, dining room, bedroom, kitchen and bathroom. So children, the 4 parts of the house we have already done in the previous class. Okay? Today I am going to do the 5th part of the house. Before starting this 5th part of the house, I am going to ask you some questions. Okay? And are you ready for that? Okay children. So children, this is the 5th chapter of and this is the 4th video. Okay, this is the 5th chapter and the video is 4th video. Okay, so now children, before starting the part of the house, the last part of the house, I am going to ask you one question. So are you all ready for that? Okay, so children, when you get up early in the morning, what do? What things are there that you do? What things you do early in the morning? Come on, tell me. What things you do? Yes, very good. Okay, when you get up early in the morning, you brush your teeth, you take bath, okay? Okay, you keep your body fresh, you fresh your body, okay? Then you take bath, you brush your teeth, wash your mouth, wash your face, whatever. In which place do you all do these things? Which place? Tell me. Exactly what you said is correct. Bathroom. You all do this, brushing of the teeth, taking bath. You all do this in the bathroom. Clear? So this you do in the bathroom. Now children, so the 5th and the last part of the house of our house is bathroom. What is a bathroom? Can you tell me what is a bathroom? I don't know. Please one of you explain me what is a bathroom. Yes, what you said is correct. A bathroom is a place where we take bath and we brush our teeth. Okay? A bathroom is a place where we take bath and brush our teeth. And in what things you see in the bathroom? What things you can see in the bathroom, children? Tell me. Yes, in the bathroom there is a bathing tub. Yes, there is a bathing tub. There is buckets in which the water is filled. Yes, buckets are there, mugs are there. You can also see the toothbrush is there, toothpaste is there. Yes, bathing tub is there, soap is there where you wash with keep your body clean. Soap is there, towel is there where you wipe your body after taking bath. So these all things are present in the bathroom. Clear? So all these things are present in the bathroom and you should always keep the bathroom clean. Okay? Okay. So now children, you have understood what is a bathroom? Okay, bathroom is a place where we can take bath, brush our teeth, and there are buckets, mugs, toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, towel. All these things are present in the bathroom. And very most important thing I am going to tell you is that a bathroom is also called loo or a washroom. Okay? Clear? What is also called? A bathroom is also called a loo, L-O-O, loo or washroom. Clear children? Okay. Now what we will do is that we will do some reading from the book. Okay? So you all are ready with me to read from the book? Yes, you all are ready, I know. Come on children, everyone take out your EVS course book with you and we will read from the book and also we will do some classwork as well as homework. Okay? Clear? Let's take out the book very fast. Come on everyone, take out the book fast. I hope every children has take out the book of EVS and ready to read from the chapter. Okay children, bathroom. What is a bathroom? A bathroom is the room where we take bath and brush our teeth. Yes, we all know this. It has a bathtub or a bathing area where buckets and mugs are kept. We also keep items such as toothbrush, toothpaste, soap and towel here. We must keep our bathrooms clean and dry. You should always keep the bathrooms clean, children, because if all the time in your bathroom the water is falling, you may slip and got hurt. So always and every time you should clean and dry your floors of the bathroom. Clear? Now see what this is the picture of a bathroom. See what is there? See, bucket is there, soap is there, basin is there, mirror is there, washroom is there. Okay, and the floor is always dry. One very important, I wish I knew. A bathroom is also called a loo and a washroom. You should remember this point that a washroom, a bathroom is also called a loo and a washroom. Okay, now this checkpoint 3. What is there in the checkpoint 3, children? Let's see. Fill in the blanks. A. Our kitchen is the place where we dash our meals. What we do in the kitchen? We cook our meals. So here you will write cook our meals. Dash, dash and towels are kept in the bathroom. What things are kept in the bathroom, children? Yes, you can say toothbrush, toothpaste, soap and towels are kept in the bathroom. Clear? C. We must keep our bathroom dash and dash. What things we must keep our bathroom? Clean and dry. Okay? Dash is the place where we brush our teeth. Which place? Our bathroom is the place where we brush our teeth. So everyone understood from this chapter? Yes, children. So now you will turn the page and see very interesting thing. You all will like this. It's an activity time. Okay, it's an activity time, children. So you all will do this activity. Say the name of the room aloud, then color the picture. See, this picture is given. You will color the picture and you will say the name of the room loudly. And what are the parts of the house? The summary portion. What are the parts of the house? How many parts of the house is there? I have already discussed 5 parts of the house. What are they? Living room, kitchen, dining room, bedroom and bathroom. Okay? So this all will do in this. You will color this in the book only, everyone. And now it's a classwork time now, children. Let's do some classwork. Okay? Let's do some classwork, children. Come on. See, this is the classwork. What is the classwork? See. Chapter 5, My House. Answer in 1 or 2 words. Where does your mother cook in the house? In which place your mother cook? Tell me. Which place your mother cook, children? Which place? Yes, absolutely. Kitchen. Kitchen is the place where your mother cooks food. So you will write there kitchen. So everyone will write kitchen. Okay? Only in 1-2 words. Only the answer you will write. In which room do the members of the family take the meals? Which room do they take the meals? Dining room. Exactly. So here you will write dining room. Clear? Dining room. Next, where do you make your guests sit in the house? Which place you make your guests sit in the house? Living room or guest room. So here we will rewrite living room. Okay? Number 4, where do you take bath in the house? Everyone know this. I know you're very sincere. Bathroom, we take bathroom, we bath. Okay. Next one is, where do you sleep in the house? In which room do you sleep, children? Bedroom. So here we will write bedroom. We sleep in the bedroom. So children, everyone, see this and write this very sincerely and very correctly. Don't do the mistake, children. Please write down very carefully. This is the classwork everyone will do in your classwork copy. You all will do this classwork in your classwork copy. Correct? You all will do this very soon. Okay, children, now I hope we will do some homework time. It's a homework time. So let's do some homework. See what is the homework. Color the given picture in page number 38 and say the name of the room loudly. This I have already discussed, that it is given in the book. See page number 38. This one picture you will color in the book. Okay, and you will color it very nicely and say the name, which room this boy is getting up, in which room he is sleeping. So in which room we sleep, you will say the name of that room very loudly and do it very sincerely. I know you all love to color and draw now, so you all will do it very fast and very soon. Okay, so now children, in this video till this much. Now very soon we will meet again in the next video. Till then, children, stay safe and be happy. Bye-bye.